What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and I actually made a video a couple of days ago about the Logitech G733s, and yeah, they came in scratched even though they were brand new, and I found out that they didn't have mic monitoring on. So I am actually a dude that likes to have a headset that if you talk into the microphone, you can hear yourself looped back into your headset. And these Logitechs apparently did not do that, even if I changed certain settings and windows. So we did some research, and apparently this microphone or these headsets by JBL, the whole Quantum line, should actually work with that. They have a specific option called side tone, and apparently you can use that to hear yourself in the microphone. Now, other people have already said this multiple times before. If you're a musician or an artist, or well, I dabble a little bit with music, when you are on the microphone, it's not nice to not hear yourself back. And just by playing a video game and you're talking to people on the chat, having your microphone out and ready to go, it's very annoying not to hear yourself because you don't know if you're screaming or not. So these are actually the new JBL Quantum Sphere 360s, the JBL 1. And we are actually gonna look at these ones real quick because they look pretty dope. And yeah, they even have head tracking, which is really cool. And yeah, the surround sound as well. So apparently there's a little lip here. And this is how you open them up. And you get this whole area right here. Really, really cool. So yeah, that's really nice. And we're gonna try and see what they look like when we open everything up. So apparently there's like a little lip here or something. I don't remember. Is it this tape that you have to pull off? Yeah, it's this tape. There we go. At least you're not screwing around so much with like cardboard and everything, you know? There we go. This is going to open up. Oh, there's another tab actually underneath. Oh, that sucks. And apparently there's more stuff here. There's more tape down here, as you can see. It's actually pretty dark out today. So I'm gonna have to open this one up as well. As you can see, there's already like a little bit of tape that you can use to get this off, which is pretty cool. I really hope they're soft and that they're not going to be too warm, because that's something that I absolutely hate about headsets. To be quite fair, there hasn't been a headset on the market yet which has proven to be like super cool or anything. So here we have this little pull tab. God, there's more tape. Good Lord. Oh boy. Here we go. We got it now. I should pull it out like this, but it should come loose though, doesn't it? There we go. You can pull it out like that. There we go. So we're gonna put that to the side, and here it is. Pretty nice. I'm actually gonna take out the headset real quick. This is gonna be so unprofessional again on my channel with the way everything is going. Are they stuck somewhere? Oh, they actually have little tabs in the back. Good Lord. Alright, I'm gonna make this loose. Alright, so here we go. Just turned up some lights a little bit because it was way too dark, but they pop out after these little things right here. And then we still have this whole thing, which is the unit that you need for chat and game audio. So we're probably gonna have to get that through here like that. Get the cable out and then put this one through here, through the little hole. And this is empty. We can throw that aside real quick. So this is going to be your whole unit that you need to cable manage. Again, this is a little knob that goes towards gaming. This is completely on the gaming side, and this is going to be completely on the chat. Now you can feel a little dent or mark in the middle, and it probably has an LED right here. So yeah, that works. That's gonna work, I hope. This is USB-C, which is gonna go into your headset, and this is gonna be your USB-A or whatever you want to call it, and that's gonna go into maybe a super speed port. I don't even know if that's a thing. And apparently you can also use these headsets without the LED effect, but still use them as a 3.5mm jack, but you won't have the surround sound stuff and the whole head tracking and all that stuff, and no LEDs, of course. So yeah, that's something to weigh in. I'll have to test that later in my maybe a little bit more of a certain review video. I mean, they do feel cool when I put them on, which is nice. There's like a memory foam or whatever, so that looks pretty cool. So let's see if we can open up the final thing here. I don't know if it's like velcroed in or anything. I don't know. Oh, I hate cardboard sometimes so much. Ugh, there we go. And this is then inside of the box right there. I hope you guys can see it. This is going to be your 3.5mm jack. There you go, jack right there and a jack right there. It's going to plug into your set. This is going to be your, how do you say that? This is a thing that you have to put in your ear. And then this one goes into a specific port on the headset, of course, 3.5mm. And then they can check out how to get the whatchamacallit, the noise cancelling stuff and everything like that. That's a calibration tool. So that's pretty dope. And then, of course, we have the leaflet, all the information, and our microphone. So the only thing that I have left to do right now is actually test them out and see how this all goes. I actually hate it when people put tape on these plastic bags, to be quite fair. Because, you know, you still need the microphone, and it's all going to be crapped up if you have to send it back. It's not going to be my fault, but we're going to have to try out the whole side tone thing. So this looks pretty cool. And we're going right here, and the microphone is going to plug into it like this. There's actually no wrong way to do that because it has the small port and the big port. And then you can, of course, bend it to your will to see how you want to use it. Apparently, if you take this little foam cap off, I actually don't know for sure. As far as I know, there should be an LED there, I actually think. Let's see if we can get it off gently. Yeah, it's just going to be something like this. I actually thought there was going to be an LED, but apparently not. I think only the Arctis has that and some other brands. But yeah, either way, we're going to see how this works and if it works. And I actually wish they had a wide version, a wide headset, but I guess not. We're not going to get that anytime soon, I suppose. That's why I wanted the whatchamacallit, the Logitech one. Good lord, now I can't get this back up again. But that doesn't matter. I'll just try to do that when I have two hands ready. So yeah, this has just been the simple unboxing of this headset right here. This is the JBL 1, the Quantum Edition, or the Quantum series is, of course, that's a whole series. And this is the Quantum 1 with all its boops and bops. And yeah, this has been super unprofessional. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll tell you guys in the next video how they sound and feel like. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.